Oppo has just launched the Find X8 series, a major step for the company as it returns to key global markets with its flagship phones. To reassure customers that they are investing in a high-quality product, Oppo has introduced a premium services package for Find X8 and Find X8 Pro owners. This new service includes an international warranty that covers 62 countries and regions, ensuring that no matter where you are, you have access to reliable support, repairs, and maintenance. A standout feature of the Oppo Premium Services is the provision of a free screen protection plan in select regions, including Indonesia, Vietnam, and Malaysia. This unique plan offers a one-time free screen replacement in case of accidental damage, so you won't have to worry about your screen getting scratched or cracked. Additionally, the warranty on these devices is extended by 12 months, providing users with extra peace of mind and longer coverage. To make it even more convenient, Oppo has trained over 12,000 customer service representatives and engineers across the globe, ensuring that users receive quick and efficient support. If you need help, you can reach out to Oppo's hotline in select markets, where representatives can guide you to local service centers. These service centers are equipped with premium lanes for quick repairs, and they even offer loaner phones while your device is being serviced. In areas where offline repair centers are not available, Oppo offers free send-in and pick-up repair services, so users can still get their phones serviced without having to leave home. The service centers also offer maintenance services, such as device cleaning, ensuring your Find X8 stays in top shape for years. With this new initiative, Oppo is showing its commitment to customer satisfaction by providing a comprehensive support system for its flagship users. Whether it's a quick repair, a loaner phone, or a simple software update, Oppo is making sure that its Find X8 series customers have all the help they need to keep their phones in perfect working order.